The HOOBRO 55-inch floating TV stand is a versatile and stylish addition to any living space, offering a modern aesthetic with its sleek greige and black finish. Equipped with 4 power outlets, this wall-mounted media console provides convenient charging options for all your electronic devices, including televisions, game consoles, and Wi-Fi routers. Designed to maximize space, this floating TV stand seamlessly accommodates televisions ranging from 32 to 65 inches while offering ample storage for media equipment. The clever cable management system ensures that all wires are neatly organized, creating a tidy and clutter-free environment in your living or bedroom. Featuring double hidden symmetrical doors, the stand not only adds a touch of artistic beauty, but also provides privacy for your stored items, making it a perfect fit for modern homes. Installation is made easy with high-quality accessories that are compatible with concrete, wood, and brick walls, ensuring a secure and hassle-free setup experience.